What if I told you that waiting just a few more months to buy your new home could cost you thousands, not just in price, but in lifestyle? So today, I want to welcome you to the Sanctuary at Southgate. It's a stunning new DR Horton community here in Indian Trail, North Carolina. So today, we are going to tour the Gray Mount. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3-car garage, and is approximately 3,370 in square feet. Your go-to Charlotte real estate agent, and I help people like you every day. So no matter if you're 9 days out, 90 days, or even a year, I'm here to assist you to buy, sell, invest, or even relocate to our Charlotte region. And you have an option to choose from 4 elevations. Keep in mind, this community features townhomes as well. There's going to be 52 townhomes and 231 single-family homes. This community has the option to have a 3-story home. DR Horton has interest rate incentives only on inventory homes. The Gray Mount is going to start in the low 500s. It's going to offer open layout, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and every floor plan includes smart home features. So that's the lights, thermostat locks, all controlled in one app. You're also going to have a pool, cabana, playground, and walking trails. Plus, you're just minutes from I-485 and Highway 74 for easy access into Charlotte. To stay up to date on all things new construction, get access to my new construction website at augustmayer.com/new homes and have your own personalized portal. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting for my next 2 videos the interior of the 2 townhome options that Sanctuary at Southgate have to offer. Let me know what you think of this home in the comments. Subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you can always get notification on the videos that I post weekly.